Oh hi, come on in, we're so glad you're. Aren't you? Sorry, I'm a little sniffly today. Come on. Hey Biscuit. Biscuit?
SHH.
Do you see Biscuit anywhere? Hey Biscuit, there you are, aren't you?
Huh.
Hey Biscuit, do you know what I need to feel better?
No.
No?
Well, yes actually, but you're going to have to play Biscuit's clues to figure out what it is.
Oh, okay, we'll play Biscuit's clues to figure it out. Great idea, I love Biscuit's clues. We are gonna play Biscuit's clues, cause it's really fun, yeah? So remember, Biscuit's paw prints will be on the clues, Biscuit's clues. You know what we need for Biscuit's clues, a handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook, right? Come on,